Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing this clear, the Tamko 2104. As everybody knows by now that it's real hard to get this wet clear, by All Candy. So I'll be trying out this clear and I'll be spraying this 2007 Jeep Wrangler grill. So I'm not gonna be spraying the All Candy clear to this grill, but I'm gonna be telling you the difference between this one and the new one that I'm gonna be spraying, the Tamko 2104. If you're here in this video, it's because you already know about the All Candy wet clear. So this is gonna be a demonstration and review on the Tamko 2104 clear. So let's get started, guys, and let's see how this clear coat compares to the All Candy. Let's go. Alright guys, that was the sealer that was sprayed. So now I'm going to be putting the base coat. I'm going to be waiting 15 minutes and then I'll be shooting the base coat. I'm going to be putting 3 layers of a base coat, and let's get to it. Alright guys, right now the grill is ready. It's been, I had some adhesion promoter, then the sealer, then the base coat, 3 coats with 1 control coat for the metallics, and it's ready for the clear. So let me start mixing the clear. Alright guys, this clear is mixed 2:1 to 10%. So I already mixed 2 parts, 1 part. Now I need the reducer. So let me add 10% reducer and start spraying. See how it compares to the All Candy wet. The one I used on the All Candy wet is a plus, the wet plus. So I'm gonna compare it to that one, and let's see how this one does. All right, guys, this is the first coat of clear with that Tamko clear. It flows out real smooth with that reducer. That 10% reducer helped it a lot to smooth out really good. So it laid down real nice. This is the first coat, like I said, so it's kind of like not too heavy of a coat, but the other two that are coming up are gonna be a little bit more heavy. So but my initial thought on the clear, it's awesome. So let me continue and get the other two. Alright guys, after 3 coats of clear, it laid down like glass. This is a very, very nice clear, as you can see. It laid it down flat, it laid it down like glass. And I'm amazed on the quality of this clear. It's the Tamko 2104, the one I used. And it's gonna give that wet clear a run for its money, man. This is a very, very nice clear. I do recommend it, guys. I'll leave a link below to where you can find it, where you can get it. Also, guys, I'll leave a phone number to Tammy Miller. She's the one that you need to contact in order for you to get this kind of clear. Guys, like I said, guys, I do recommend this clear. Very, very nice, very smooth. It's sprayed awesome. So if you're having a hard time getting that wet clear, guys, go with this one. I do recommend it. And I'm gonna be spraying my car with this clear, that Tamko 2104 clear. So guys, here's another one. And thank you guys. Hit the link below, help me out, give it a thumbs up, hit that little bell icon so you can have a notification when I post some videos. And there's more to come, guys. Thank you very much, and subscribe if you're not a subscriber.